Where to buy fortune cookies in Austin, Texas? Well, if you only need a dozen or less, I recommend you just go to your local Chinese restaurant, and they can usually accommodate that. But if you want to buy them in bulk or a large variety, I suggest two websites that offer in bulk. Both of them are www.pekingnoodle.com or www.cookiehq.com. The ingredients to make fortune cookies are enriched flour, wheat flour, niacin, iron, thiamine, monotrite, riboflavin, folic acid, water, sugar, partially hydrogenated vegetable oil, soybean oil or cottonseed oil, vanilla flavor, cornstarch, salt, baking soda, and then colored with F, D, and C yellow 5. It does contain wheat, soybean, and milk. Fortune cookies are fun. They liven up the party. Everybody gets a sweet little fortune inside. So I recommend them for all your parties.